What are the steps and stages towards meditation? 5 of the most common types of meditation are mindfulness, body scan, walking, loving kindness, and transcendental meditation. Different types of meditation comes with different benefits, but some benefits include reduced anxiety, improved self-control, better self-care, and less pain. There are 3 traditional aspects to meditation: approach, practice, and integration. How to meditate. Set a time limit. Notice your body. Feel your breath. Notice when your mind has wandered. Be kind to yourself and your wandering mind. Close with kindness.